is a monkey with a sidecar.
How are they?
Here you go. Look at that.
I mustn't have won anything. I'm actually dead.
Come on, bring it forward. Look at that. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Woo! Viva the Monkey Revolution!
My mate's coming in a minute. Honestly, my mate's
Hold a little bit.
I'm trying to get Sarah to buy a monkey and she's had none.
You'll do it for her. So what's her name? Where she's from?
This is Lindsay Waring. She's the owner of the monkey.
Fantastic. Cheers. I'll just show it you. Fantastic. Well, Lindsay, it's an absolute fantastic bike and sidecar. That it's a credit to you.
Yeah,
all right.
Thank you.
Viva the Monkey Revolution! So I've just been approached by a strange man called MR30.
MR30 reporting.
So what's your name? Where you from?
Mike Lee from near Burton-on-Trent.
Fantastic, MR30. Pleased to meet you. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Cheers, brother. What's your name and where you from? Richard.
From Leicester.
From Leicester, and you're on a monkey as well.
Yeah.
And you're going to join the Monkey Revolution.
I'm going to get online and look all about it.
Fantastic. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Viva! What's your name?
Guy.
Di?
Yeah.
What are you on?
I'm on a GS, mate. Sorry.
So I used to have a GS 1200 Adventure. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I've not had a big bike now for 2.5 years since I got this. It's been brilliant. Sorry, brother. Fantastic. Brilliant, now, look at that. Beautiful little bikes here. It's the pyramid screen. So this is his homemade fiberglass top box. That's fantastic. So I believe this is Richard's bike.
Well, that's what I've got.
CT70 trail there.
Well, now that's retired. Yeah, she's still there, but she's going to pay me back the mortgage. You don't have to.
Another Trail 70. Is that another monkey? Sounds like my Yoshimura exhaust, that. Some pretty small monkey bikes here. I'll show you this one there. Viva! That's awesome, that, isn't it? That's brilliant. I could fit that on back in my monkey bike. Few C90s there. Absolutely gorgeous bikes, look at that. Valor or bust, monkey run. Look at that one. Amazing to see so many monkeys. Kawasaki. Got these here that are absolutely tiny. Sorry, brother. Sorry. Bespoke mini bikes, Sheffield.
Yeah. I've got to watch this.
Fantastic.
Brick. Brilliant, yeah.
Brilliant, that one. Love that. Hey, where are you from?
Red.
Yeah, from Red.
That's my name.
From
Blighton, near Gainesville.
Brighton. And I love your t-shirt. Look at that. Monkey, hardly rideable. Fantastic. And let's have a look at your bike. Oh God, that's amazing, that man. So how long you had this?
About 2 years now.
2 years. It's fantastic, that mate, isn't it? I'm loving the badge again. Look at that. Hardly rideable. That's fantastic. I used to have the little 50 over at Fields when I was a kid, but with drop-down handlebars that you could either ride up or ride like as though you were a racer. Well, that's brilliant, that is. So how far have you come on, did you say?
50 miles.
Brilliant, that man. That lock-on back's as big as your bike, isn't it? That's fantastic. Little monkey up back there as well. Oh, let's have a look at this. So, what have you come on? You've not come on back of that, have you? Oh, you've come on Benellis. So, in our Monkey Revolution, we've got quite a few Benellis riders in that as well.
Good.
Yeah.
I'll join them.
Fantastic.
That's my mates as well.
Yeah.
Matching one.
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Shout it. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Woo! Viva! Red just going. Viva!
So on to 7th place, and we have Tracy Steele's Honda Dance. Tracy?
Viva!
Tracy is a regular at this event, so we have quite a few bikes there with the back and
What's your name? Where are you from?
MR85 from Lincoln.
Yeah, and your name?
Jason Turner.
Oh, it's Jason. Oh, fantastic. Oh, really pleased to meet you, brother. Fantastic, that, mate.
You just got here.
Introduce yourselves for the channel.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that.
Come on, what's your name? Where are you from?
Lee. From Langol.
Lee from
Langol.
Langol.
James from Dinnington.
James from
Dinnington.
Dinnington, nice to meet you.
He's run off, he's nervous.
What's your name, mate?
Mick.
Mick from
Dinnington.
Fantastic. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Hey!
Monkey Revolution, eh?
Can we get you all shouting Viva the Monkey Revolution?
Okay.
Come on, top of your voice.
Doing it, Mick.
Of course.
Come on, Mick.
Come on.
Look, if you can get him to do it,
Come on, Mick.
Come on, Mick.
You've got to. Come on, please. Think of all these monkey bikes that people want to see. Come on, Viva the Monkey Revolution.
Get in a minute.
Here we go.
Or not?
After
Come on, Mick, you doing it.
after 3,
Mick, you shout. You start.
1,
Mick. You start, Mick.
2,
Come on, Mick.
3. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Yay!
I'm Sam from Nottingham.
Fantastic. Show us this bike of yours.
Okay. Well, there he is.
Which one is it?
The Red Monkey.
The red monkey here.
Yeah, but it's since 2020 from brand new.
And why 13?
It's my lucky number.
Oh, fantastic. It's even got the Go Faster tassels on it as well.
Noticed for today.
Nice, smart, though, isn't it? They're fantastic bikes, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. They're comfortable. They're good in all weathers. Because I've been I've been in the snow on mine, flooded roads, strong winds where it's a bike like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
It's just sturdy.
They're fantastic, aren't they? But you can take them anywhere, can't you? There's Ant. Emma, what was it?
31. Viva
Emma.
the Monkey Revolution.
Viva! And who are you with?
Ian.
Ian, you've come on a scooter, Ian.
I'm
Yeah?
the pizza delivery man, yeah.
Hey, I look like one myself at the moment with what I'm wearing. And I look like I've eaten too many. Oh, great to see you again, Ant. MR31, let's see this t-shirt. Look at that.
Hey.
Viva!
The Monkey Revolution.
Viva the t-shirt. Where are you from? Scotty. Scott man.
Yeah,
and you've seen Monkey Dick's Adventures?
Certainly have.
And you've also been and met Matt and Jono from
Jono.
Small Bikes Big Adventures.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Shout out to those guys. Right. Thanks very much, brother. Absolute pleasure to meet you.
And yourself.
Cheers, brother. Brilliant, isn't it? Look at that. I used to have a little 50 on fields when I was a kid.
Yeah.
With handlebars that you could either have up or have down as though you're racing. They're fantastic.
You're going on salt flats.
I know. And now I think I'm at TT now. What are we doing? Listen to this beast. Do a wheelie! That's what people shout to you all the time when you're driving past it. Do a wheelie!
Any best?
Yes, now we're doing some final adjustments.
Yeah. Never.
But make sure we get back.
Need another.
Look at this. Watch this for getting knee down. Knee down on a monkey. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. Viva the Monkey Revolution. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Andy, and I'm from Uthwaite in Nottingham.
Fantastic. And you're already a monkey revolutionary?
Yes, yes.
Viva the Monkey Revolution.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Oh no, great to see that you're here with your bike.
Yeah.
Sweet. It's over the red one over here. I'll have a look at it. Next to the challenge. This is your bike. Look at that. Yeah, it's got red wheels on. I love the scrambler look at the exhaust because they are scramblers. That's brilliant. That smart. So loads of monkey bikes here. I love that. Oh, yeah, sorry, mate. You from?
My name's Graham, I'm from Leicester.
Yeah, and he's just joining the Monkey Revolution.
Yeah.
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Yeah, absolutely.
Cheers, brother. What's your names and where you from?
We're local Chesterfield to CMC. I'm Red.
I'm Kyle.
Kyle.
I'm Carl.
Carl, nice to meet you guys. And where are your bikes? Oh, look at this.
On the girls' bike.
That's absolutely fantastic. A little jolly. I love it. That's brilliant, that, Mom. Where's yours?
These are ours. So this
Oh,
one's mine.
I saw this before, not for girls. It's brilliant, isn't it?
It's freshly cleaned.
Fantastic, isn't it?
That's clean through.
Yeah, and yours?
That one there.
Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, that is. Absolutely beautiful. Tell you what, they're an absolute credit to you, them guys.
The reason for the hoodie.
Yeah. What are you scared of?
Went on a monkey bike rally a few years ago now. Pulled up in a place called Blossom. Pulled up for some fuel, as you do. People walking past, looking at your bikes. And then there's two juveniles or chavs, maybe whatever you want to call it without being political, walk past and say, "What are you scared of? Can't you ride proper bikes?" And from then on, that's why we wear this.
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Fantastic. So that's CMC Chesterfield. These are the top 10 monkeys that they've voted for. I'll just show you them. Look at that. Mini Marcelino. we go inside CMC, have a look. Awesome. Gonna have a look at monkeys. Look at that. 22 model here. Fantastic. Grom over here. And a chopper. Shabba. Stuart and I are filling up the monkeys after the day out at Chesterfield.
£5.12.
£5.12. Fantastic, brother. £5.23. Look at that. Monkey Dick's Adventures.
Best 5 you can spend.
Pretty windy, but we're at the Cat and Fiddle. So we've come to the Cat and Fiddle, which is now a whiskey distillery, and you can get stew, or else you can pre-order food because they get it from Macclesfield. So we've got the stew, but without the bread rolls, which was just £9 for both. So it's not too bad at all. And we're just going to tuck in there. We've just found a place out of the wind because it's blowing a bit outside. When they said stew, I was thinking something quite watery, but hey, look at this. Look at that. Get stuck into that one, Stuart.
That is beautiful.
Stuart with a stew.
Stew.
Look at that. Man there, Monkey Dick's Adventures. Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Viva! So Monkey Dick's Adventures. I've just got to Yonderman's Cafe and met up with some fellow monkey riders. I'll just get them to introduce themselves. So, what's your name? Where you from?
I'm Dave, I'm from Long Eaton. It's my bike. First time I've ever met Hawk next to any other monkeys, so looking forward to a good day today.
Fantastic. And what were you saying about the channel?
Yeah, well, it was your channel that's got me interested in the monkeys in the first place.
Fantastic.
My bike with 1200 BMW.
Well, I had a GS 1200.
Yeah,
the
I
Adventure.
had the RT.
Yeah.
But all my bike has been two-up touring. But,
Yeah.
I can't get on anymore. So.
They're fantastic though, aren't they?
Oh, brilliant, yeah.
And what's your name? Where you from?
Yeah, Liam from Durham.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Durham. Flipping heck. And this is your beast.
Yeah.
Oh. So have you got an MR number?
232, I think.
232. We'll check when I get back. But Viva the Monkey Revolution! And what's yours, Dave?
134.
134.
Yeah.
And we've got Stuart who's come across with me.
Yeah.
MR2.
MR2, yeah.
Viva!
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Cheers, man. No, it's great to see a few of them together, and especially when we get there later on and see all these other ones. Yeah, no, it's my first blue one as well. That beautiful, isn't it? It's a beautiful bike, Liam.
Cheers. 281, that's what I am.
Sorry?
281.
28. Sorry, you're
281.
281. Fantastic. Oh. This is Dave's bike. Fantastic. Monkey Dick's Adventures.
Where am I from?
Yeah, what's your name?
Adam.
Adam.
From Sheffield.
Oh, fantastic. So, how tall are you, Adam?
6'2".
6'2". And I tell you what, when you see it on channel, you'll think, I can fit on that. No. But I think with them having a wide seat, it makes it feel like a normal size bike. I think with yourself, you'd probably just put handlebars forward a little bit, you know. Yeah, just so that you get room for your knees. Oh, fantastic. Where are you from?
Hey?
What's your name? Where are you from?
Andy from Staffordshire.
Andy from Staffordshire. I tell you what, Andy, really suits you that, Mum.
And I can touch the floor.
Yeah, and there's always room for one at garage.
Oh. Tell you something, John.
Hey, it does that, Mum.
I could have done.
Come on, shout it proper. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Viva the Monkey Revolution!